Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 of me moving into my new binders, as well as shrinking down and growing my sinking funds. If you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back. Let's go ahead and hop into it. If you didn't see part 1, I will link it up here so that you can go ahead and go back and watch that. In this version of the video, I will be going through and moving my money from my older sinking funds into my newer ones. I was going to go fund by fund, but I just don't want to. Get rid of the boobies fund. I have enough money in my savings for a breast reduction now, so we're just gonna put this money elsewhere. I don't need to keep contributing to funds that I can now pay for a breast reduction when I'm ready, so we will be removing that fund. Okay, giving is empty, so that's good. So it's family time. Our 401k, I'm gonna sit this to the side. Month ahead, I'm gonna sit that to the side, and our miscellaneous funds there. So that's everything from this binder. So in here we have our savings, we have credit repair, manifestations, we have emergency funds, healthcare, fitness, and rollover, getting rid of those, and then our 52-week challenge. So I'm going to sit this to the side because I am going to break some of this down into 1K slips so that I can continue the challenge, but I don't have so much money on me, so I'll do that last. First things first, let's see what we have in savings here. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000 in the bank. And then we have 101 here in this fund. So I'm just gonna sit that there. Credit repair is another one here. I'm getting rid of it because there aren't any more big accounts that I need to be paying on. I paid off the last one, so this money can actually go into another fund. It actually was a lot cheaper for me to pay it off than I thought. I had the money in my buffer account, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Make sure y'all can see the money here. Okay. And manifestations, this is going forward to my apartment binder. But I'm actually just going to stop putting it in manifestation and just fund my bill binder with rent and stuff. So this is where this will actually be going to my bill binder. I'm just going to throw it in there real quick because I want to make sure that that money goes to the right place. So I'm just going to stick it into my rent binder here, my rent envelope in my bill binder. I want to make sure that that gets to my apartment funds later on this month. Okay. All right, here in our emergency fund, do I have an emergency fund in here? If not, I definitely need to make one. And I don't think I did. I emptied out all of my sinking funds at the beginning of the year. I have a pretty good cushion in my savings. So I want to be really investing more of this money instead of just like throwing it in these funds. For tax purposes, I need to be doing more investing. So for now, we're going to say goodbye to the emergency fund. We may bring her back. We'll see. 401k is one I will be still using. I think I'm going to put this into my miscellaneous fund binder, and I'm just going to go ahead and make this last envelope the 401k because I do need to still be contributing and saving this. So that's what we'll do for now. Okay. Month ahead, I'm not sure what to do with this. I am so far, my buffer is so full in the bank that I don't really need this month ahead anymore. I was just depositing this and like there's several $1,000s in my buffer bill pay checking account. So I think this money will go towards the apartment binder. Let me see what's in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000. 1, 2, 20, 40, 242. So let's put the 242 into our funds here. And let's just do, so there's 1,102, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put that 1,500 in the apartment binder in the rent section. So let's just knock off another month's rent. And then we'll stuff the rest into our sinking funds. I just want to have a more accurate view of my money, and I feel like you guys looking at my sinking funds, I'll go back and fill the trackers later. You guys looking at my sinking funds aren't getting an accurate view of my actual personal finances. So I'm getting rid of funds because I don't need that money just sitting in an envelope. Like, it can be doing something more productive. Our miscellaneous fund here, there we go. And I just don't need those. I'm just being honest. I have about almost 3 months ahead in my bill pay checking account at this point, just from my buffer rolling over. So I don't need to keep saving that. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is go through our high priority funds here and see if we can contribute to any of these. If you're wondering if I'm still loving my under-desk treadmill, the answer is yes, sis. It's well worth it. Make sure you check out Lifespan Fitness, especially if you work from home. It's so easy to get stuck in front of your desk for 8 to 10 hours just working and getting lost in it. And for me, being able to just go over and pull my treadmill over to the desk, get my body moving, it helps me be able to work more efficiently. Y'all know I have goldfish brain. So getting that blood moving helps in those moments where I'm struggling creatively. And I've just really appreciated this piece of equipment so far. Also, you guys know, just health-wise, it's been really helpful. So if you were wondering if you should get one, head over to Lifespan Fitness and get one. Vehicle registration is about $100, so I'm good there. Insurance deductible has $250. I'm gonna go ahead and add another $250. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 500 in there. I think that's what the deductible is. I just really want to have these full when I move so that if something happens, I don't have to worry. Vehicle insurance, I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to take some out actually. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So I'm going to take these small bills out and add 100 back and another 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, $800 now in our insurance. My vacation doesn't need anything for now. I'm not planning on going anywhere. Halloween, let's see. We've never actually done anything on Halloween, so let's just add let's add 30. So 20, 30, 40, $1 for now. So it'll be exciting to like actually decorate and all that fun stuff. Christmas, I think it's pretty good. For Thanksgiving, I'll go ahead and add 100. So 1, 20, 40, 60, 80 in Thanksgiving. Fourth of July, we buy fireworks when my nieces come. I'm gonna add another 100 to that one. So 1, 2, 250, 270, 280, 290, 295, and I just wanted $300 in here, so that gets me relatively close. Doctor's visits are good, prescriptions are good. For now, let's look at our low priority funds. Okay, my niece's vacation. This is one I really wanted to bulk up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 780, 790, 820. So first things first is I'm going to take out those 5. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, and 100. I'm going to put 100 back in here. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. I'm going to take this 20 out and just add 100. Make it a solid 900. Let's make it 1,000, 1,100. Okay. And I'm going to keep this in cash because, like I said, I will be booking something soon. So when I do, I'll just grab it here, deposit it, and book the trip. Rico, we're going to give Rico a 20. So he has $30 in there. He's pretty low maintenance, but when it's time to repurchase everything, it's usually around 100 bucks. Nails and pedicures. Let's see. I have $25 in here. I'm going to add 220, so I have 40 bucks. I think I'm just actually just going to get a manicure this time and soak off my overlay and just let my, like, these are my nails, but they have an overlay over them. Just let them breathe. Shoes and clothes. I don't really need anything, but we'll add 40 just because I can. So there's 20, 40, 51, just in case I need something. Lord knows I'll see a loungewear and feel like I've got to grab it. Amazon, we're gonna give Amazon 13 bucks. Slowly but surely we'll let this one add up so I can feel less guilty about my spending. I didn't cut the end of this envelope off. I'll go back and do that. Okay, facials and massages. Let's see. We'll add 15 here. So there's 35. How are y'all liking the new binders? Let me know down in the description. Do y'all feel like it's doing too much? Or I know somebody got confused like, girl, 50, 60, 70. But I just don't need that month ahead fund anymore. I have a month ahead. I think I'm almost can almost do 4 months ahead in my buffer. And the thing is I don't even know what I'll need every month now because going forward I'll have different bills. So it's just it's better off elsewhere. Skincare. To that one I'm gonna add 100. My skincare is so expensive. So 120 is good. All those anti-aging products, they be adding up. Perfume, I'm gonna give 100. I know that seems like a lot, but I can't even get anything I want with that. Target hauls, I am gonna bulk this one up. Like I said, we are probably gonna do a trip soon, so Target is a wave. So there's 231. That's there just in case I need it. Fine dining, again, we will be going out of town. And I do like to take the girls to have those kind of experiences. So I want some money to be there for sure. You know, you got to take your daughters and your girls out to do nice things. So they won't be so easily impressed by others doing it, if you know what I mean. Workout equipment, I'm just going to give that 20. Okay, and so that is good for our low priority envelopes. Alrighty, so our mixed funds, which are mostly savings challenges, and again, that 401k. So to this 401k, I'm actually going to just add $300 because it's a slower month finance-wise. So just to make sure I can get to the mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 600, 20, 40, 45, 46. So 646. That'll help me, you know, be sure that I get the whole 1600 in here this month. Okay, I'm actually going to go to my June challenge and I am just going to add $40 in here. Okay, and then let's look at some of our other challenges here. So in our $20 challenge, let's just add a 20. Self-care, of course, I love myself, so let's put $20 in there. I am prioritizing self-care, whatever that means to me. This envelope is literally to pull out, grab, and go do whatever I need to do when I'm in crisis, when I just need me time. Save with Baddie doesn't need anything. Let's get away, again, is a travel envelope. This will probably get grabbed for my niece's trip. Just add 100 there. The 52-week challenge. Again, I'm going to move that money over. The $10 challenge, I'm going to add whatever 10s we have here to this one. Okay, save and search. Doesn't need anything. Luxury, no. Our 50 envelope challenge, I don't really need to bother with that. So we're all good for savings challenges. Okay, let me see. Let me look at the bill binder. First of all, I need to exchange some of these because they're way too big. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 450. So there's 450 here, so I'm gonna exchange this out for some hundreds because most of this money is gonna go to the bank so that I can go ahead and invest it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 for this rent envelope. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 950, 955. Okay, utilities. I don't know how to 20 in there. T-Mobile, I am trying to get a month ahead on phone bills, so I'm gonna add 100 there. Internet, no. Storage, no. Self-lender, no. Streaming, no. Self-lender credit card, Bank of America, nothing. Navy Fed, nothing. Yearly subscriptions. Let's see what it has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I'm gonna take that 35 out and add a 50. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 500. 500 in there. And that one's empty. So we're empty back there. All right. So I've given everything a pretty good, decent amount of money. I don't think any of these other funds need any additional money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. I'll move this up to 7 for vehicle maintenance. I think everything is pretty much good. Yeah, so everything has an adequate amount of money. So I'm going to take this extra here and I'm going to put it into my account and make sure that it's invested. The very last thing I have here is my student loans. I'm just going to leave it in this separate envelope for now because it's so full, and see what they decide at the end of the year regarding, at the end of the summer regarding forgiveness, and I'll move forward with that. But for now, that's fine. So I'm going to break down this 52-week challenge, move it to my savings challenge binder. This is going to stay here, and this is going to the bank. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys always supporting me and my channel. Let me show y'all the binders again because I know somebody will love them as much as I do. They're so cute. So y'all have a really good day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Something to buy, yeah. Set the potato.